This video we will start a new grammar topic, that is prefixes and suffixes. So let us start. Prefixes and suffixes are group of letters that are added to the beginning and the and end of the words respectively. Okay? So what is meant by prefixes and suffixes? Prefixes and suffixes means these are the group of letters. Okay, prefixes and suffixes are the group of letters which are added to the word. Prefixes are added at the beginning of the word and suffixes are added to the at the end of the words. Okay, and new words are formed. You will understand from the examples. So next, they help to make new words. Okay, with the help of prefixes and suffixes we form new words. Okay, so prefixes and suffixes help to make new words. They are not words on their own. Okay, see, prefixes and suffixes are not words on their own. Okay, prefixes and suffixes don't have any meaning. Okay, means uh, they are not words on their own. We will see, you will understand from the examples. Okay, uh, the words to which they are added are called root or base words. Okay, so the word to which we add prefixes and suffixes are called root or base words. Okay. Now we will see the examples. From example you will understand everything. Don't worry. So see. Read these words from the text. See, now let us see the first example. Wait. Something. See. So let us see the example. See, in this example, see, this is the word. Okay, this word is called root or base words. Okay, now what we will do in this root or this in this base word, we will add the prefix we add at the beginning of the word. Okay, so selfish is the root or you can say base word. Okay, now we will add this prefix to this word. Okay, prefixes are added at the beginning of the word. Okay, so un is the prefix. See, group of letters, un is the prefix which is a group of letters. Okay, so which is added at the beginning of this word. Un plus selfish, this is a prefix. Okay, and this is your root or base word, so we get new word. Okay, unselfish. See, this un doesn't have any meaning. Is un any word? No. Un is any word? No. It doesn't have any meaning. See, here also this prefix is there, re. It is also not a word. Okay, so prefixes or suffixes are not words on their own. Okay, they do not have any meaning. Okay, but when we add these prefixes and suffixes to the root or base words, then we get the new word. Okay, see, selfish is the root or base word and earn is the prefix. If we add this prefix at the beginning of this word, then we will get the new word. Okay, we get the new word. What is that new word? Unselfish. Understood? Now let us take the next example. See, called is the word or you can say base word or root. Re is the what? Re is the prefix. Okay, so if we add this re at the beginning to this word, then we will get the new word, that is recalled. Understood? So this is prefix, this is also prefix. Okay, and we got these two new words, unselfish and recalled. Okay, these are the roots or base words. Next example, see, this color is the word or you can say base word. This color is a root or you can say base word. Okay, so full, this is a suffix, this is not a prefix. Okay, full. If you add ful full to this word at the end of this word, then you will get new word that is a colorful. Understood? Color is the root and full is the suffix. This is not a prefix, this is a suffix because we will add it at the end of this word. Okay, always remember suffixes are added at the end of the word. See, here we have added it at the end of the word. Okay, so color plus full, that is a suffix. Okay, then we will get the new word that is a colorful. Okay, see, this suffix we have added into this word, so we got the new word that is a colorful. And always remember prefixes are added at the beginning of the word. See, recalled. Understood? Let us take one more example. See, found is the root or base word. This ed is added as a suffix, not prefix, suffix. So new word is founded. Okay, always remember suffixes are added at the end of the word. Okay, suffixes are added at the end of the word, and then we get the new word. And prefixes are added at the beginning of the word. Okay, at the beginning of the word, then we get new word. You understood? Okay, now let's take so this example, found plus this suffix founded is the another word, new word. Okay, wait, now we will solve this exercise which is given on the next page. See here, question is like this: add the suitable prefixes. Now this highlighted black group of letters are the what? Prefixes. Re dash, mis, miss dash, by dash, un dash, pre dash. All these are the prefixes. Okay, all these are the prefixes. And to these words to make new words. So below some words are given. These are the root or base words. So what we have to do? We have to select proper proper prefix for this root words, and we have to make new words. Okay, now we have to use our intelligence and knowledge to form the new words with the help of these prefixes. Okay, we have to match these words with proper prefixes, and we have to make the new words. See, what are these words? Right, tide, match, view, understand, focal, do, weekly, able, hit. Okay, so from these words and with the help of these prefixes, we will form new words. Okay, now let us see. First word is right. Okay, so which prefix you will use for right? Tell me which prefix you will use for right. Re. Okay, re is the correct prefix for the right. If you add re at the beginning of the word right, then you will get new word that is a rewrite. Understood? So we have used this. See, we have used this prefix for this word. Okay, we have added it at the beginning. Re plus write, that is a rewrite. Okay, understood? Now let us take the another next word, tide. So which prefix you will use for tide? Retied? No, it doesn't make any sense. That is not a word. Okay, retied. Mistide? No. Okay, but by-tide also not. Untied. Untied is a word. Okay, so untied is a correct word. So we have used this prefix for this word, and we have got the new word from this, that is untied. Okay, now let us take the next word, match. So which prefix you will use for match word? Rematch? No. Mismatch? Yes, exactly. Mismatch is the new word. Okay, so we have used this prefix for this word. We have added it at the beginning, so we got the new word that is a mismatch. Let us take the next word, view. Okay, so re is the proper wait. So view is the word. So which prefix you will take to form the new word? re. Okay, re is the re is the proper prefix for this word. So you will get new word, review. Okay, now let us take the next word, understand. So for understand word, which prefix is suitable? Miss, mis, this prefix is suitable for understand. So you will get new word, that is misunderstand. Okay, misunderstand. Let us take the next example, next word, that is a focal. Bi, this is the proper prefix, that is a bifocal. After that, do, undo, un is the proper prefix, that is undo. Weekly, bi-weekly. Okay, after that, so bi is the proper prefix for this weekly word. Bi-weekly, you will get new word, that is a bi-weekly. Able, unable, this is the proper prefix, unable. Heat, reheat. Okay, heat, reheat. Now we will solve this exercise. Okay, now here what you have to do, here some words are given and some suffixes are given. Okay, so we have to add these suffixes at the end of these words. Okay, we have to select the proper suffix from these suffixes, and with the help of these words we have to form new words. Okay, so let us start with the first word. So what is that? Kind. So what is the proper suffix for this word? Remember, suffixes we add at the end of word, not like a prefixes. So for kind, NESS, this is the proper suffix. Kind plus ness, that is a kindness. New word is formed, kindness. Okay. Next, harm, HARM, harm. So which we will use? Full, FUL, harmful. Okay, harm plus full, that is a harmful. Teach, for teach, if you use this suffix, then you will get new word, that is a teacher. Okay, teacher. After that, swing. For swing, if you used ing, then you will get the new word, that is a swinging. Okay. Short, NESS, sharpness. Play, player. Okay. Truth, FUL, truthful. Okay. After that, break, breakable. Sad, NESS, this suffix we will use, that is a sadness. Read, readable. Okay, understood? So like this we have to form new words with the help of suffixes and prefixes. Okay, we will I will give you this uh, assignment in your on your group, school group. Okay, so we will stop here. Bye, have a great day.